Good day, guys. So it's been a while. Been so busy. Shot a wedding from 6:30 to 11 p.m. That's 6:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then I shot a wedding prior to that. It's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So was so tired. Didn't do anything. Tuesday I crashed in bed. So I don't know. But we're gonna do a throwback. We're gonna put up a video. Let me see. Let me figure out what video I'm gonna put. Okay, so I just checked on my files and I found that I have a lot of old videos that I want to upload. It's not worth the story, but it's for my catalog. So I have some stories here which will be from June, which was 4 months ago. So I'll just put up small snippets of videos that I need to document. So it's not that interesting if you think that you're not gonna have fun. Those are me just blabbering. So you can just watch other videos and just leave this one out. But yeah, these are what happened last June. And yeah, there's one here that we even made a trip to Mount Hotham and Bright. So there's quite a lot here. Yeah, I need to put them up. So I'll be putting them in the next few days if I have free time because I'm so busy at the moment. But just check it out. I hope I can clear my queue, clear everything out, yeah, that's it. Just watch. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back here. I just got sick 2 days ago. I was shooting a friend's wedding and I got sick 2 days ago, so I'm back a bit now, but I'm still doing some uni stuff and I'm also trying to back up some files here. A lot of work going on. I'm so sorry I haven't been taking care of the vlog and everything and this YouTube channel, but hopefully I can get more videos upcoming soon. I'll be having a travel gig to Fiji. I'll be shooting a wedding. I hope traveling there won't give me a bit of problems and everything, but I hope it's gonna be smooth. And my hair looks like shit, but I have a headband on. Oh shit. Okay, so I hope everything's gonna flow smoothly when I go there. I'll be heading there June 14 to around 22, shooting one wedding there, and after that I'll be going to the snowy parts of Australia. After that, heading here because we're gonna head to Sydney prior to that. But other than that, you guys take care. I hope I can get good videos in that travel. But that travel's gonna be chill. I'm not gonna be doing hardcore traveling, mountaineering, anything stuff. And yeah, also it's kind of cold today. Today's the 1st of June, so it's clearly winter. A lot of ice in the mountain regions, and yeah, it's really cold. Anyway, stay warm, guys. And if you have seen this video further in the future, yeah, might be cringe. I'm wearing my pajamas now and it's around 6 p.m. That was quick. Yeah, I'm just home, of course, upstairs. Anyway, that's it. You take care, guys. Bye. No, not bye. Anyway, yeah, I'll have videos coming up after this. These are old videos. Just stay tuned, and if you don't like it, if it's boring, you can just go look for other videos, whatever you want. It's up to you guys. So it stopped raining and I'm heading to the city, but it's kind of cold, so I'm ragging up. I'm gonna meet up Dawn there in the city right now, and I'm gonna try to get some stuff that we need for the shoot next week. Also preparing for Fiji, so that's what we're gonna do today. Today, okay, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So today is a wet Tuesday, and it's very wet. It's fucking wet. I love to shoot in the rain and go out and do some stuffs, but it's just too wet today, so I'm not doing anything else. I'm heading to Knox. Yep, Knox. Let's go. It's quite rainy today, and we're shooting 2 events. We're gonna be shooting a wedding. No, not a wedding. An engagement party, and also a family photo shoot. So yeah, it's running late. I need to stop by one thing today, but
the speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
Let's see how this goes, guys. Yeah, it's quite rainy, really. Between 3 trucks, there's a small car there. It's too blown out for me. But yeah, in the middle of 2 trucks, there's that car. Too bright today. And the filter.